हेलो एवरीवन। तो कॉलेज वालों, नए कॉलेज में दोस्त बने क्या? कमेंट करके बताओ। मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड लैंडिंग अ गुड जॉब आर टू बिग थिंग्स ऑन एवरीबॉडीज माइंड इन कॉलेज। फ्रेंड्स तो अब आप ही को बनाने होंगे, बट फॉर दैट जॉब क्वेश्चन, हाउ विल आई गेट अ गुड जॉब इन अ गुड टेक कंपनी आफ्टर कॉलेज, इसका आंसर you will find in this video. In this video, I will give you a complete roadmap for your next 3 or 4 years of college to build your career in tech. So for that, I have divided the video into 4 sections. First year, second year, third year and final year. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Let's start by talking about the most exciting year, your first year of college. This is the perfect time for you to build your foundation for your future tech career. So where do you start? Start with languages like C, C++ or Python. These are beginner friendly and widely used in the industry. Next up, you should focus on data structures and algorithms. This is really important because most top tech companies ask DSA questions in their technical interviews. Then get comfortable with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, as these languages are building blocks of web development. Fourth, register on Internshala and stay active. Keep a watch on the kind of internships posted. Read their job descriptions. Know what companies are looking for in their candidate. This will help you build the right skills. Internshala offers many online short-term courses that are customized to meet the company's requirement. By learning relevant skills through these courses and creating projects, you can enhance your profile and improve your chances of landing a good internship or job. You can also join coding, data AI clubs based on your interest at Internshala clubs and attend seminars hosted by industry level experts. First year is also a time to work on your communication skills, and with communication skills I mean English. Yes, it does increase your chances of getting a good job. Now for many engineering students, this question often comes up. Does my college CGPA matter for getting a job in tech companies? The answer is yes, especially for freshers, those who have just graduated. Companies often set minimum CGPA requirements for hiring fresh graduates, typically between 7.5 and 8 out of 10. So aim to maintain a CGPA above 7.5 to qualify for most tech companies during placements. And here is an important tip. Contact your college placement cell or talk to your seniors to understand how to maintain CGPA and what are the placement trends of your college. So this is the roadmap for first year student. It might sound like a lot of work, but starting by dedicating 1 to 2 hours each day to learning programming is not much. And by the time you are in your second semester, you will be better at balancing your studies, networking, hanging out with friends and more. Since you have finished your first year of college, that is learning basics, now it's your second year. In second year, you can discuss and figure out where you want to go. That is, it is a time to decide your domain, whether you want to pursue a career in full stack development, cybersecurity or software development. Always choose a career that excites you, makes you learn new things and is trending. Here are a few recommendations, and based on your interest and field, you can choose accordingly. Second year of college is the year to advance your DSA skills and start learning the basics of OOPS, as they are crucial in programming and are frequently asked during interview. The list of topics are here. Internshala offers courses on these topics as well, so enroll to these courses if you haven't already. Second year of college is also a time to make quality projects and put them in your GitHub profile to demonstrate your coding portfolio to the employer. But how will you do that? First, to build your profile on GitHub and lead code, start contributing to open source projects. This will help you collaborate with others and learn new skills, and that too free of cost. Second, you can participate in hackathons. There are a number of platforms like Kaggle and Hacker Earth where you can practice your coding skills. Moreover, some of these hackathons also offers prizes, job offers and internship opportunities. Third, you can apply for short-term paid internship opportunities in your chosen domain on Internshala. These internships will help you in getting familiar with your domain and build basic skills. Fourth, offer short-term online courses on Internshala in your domain. It will not only help you gain knowledge, but you can also build projects here which you can mention in your profile and build a strong resume. Second year is also a great time to explore other skills. If you are interested, then you can consider diving into machine learning, web development or app development for more exposure to understand how programming works. And the basic remains the same. Work on your communication skills, maintain a good CGPA and keep up your attendance. With this strategy, after 2 years of your graduation degree, you will realize that you have gained a lot of knowledge and skills जो बहुत काम आएंगी during your placement. Now, if you are pursuing BCA or BSc, it's time to build your overall personality as well as advance your learning. So learn advanced programming concepts and build decent projects for your resume. You can do all this on Internshala. Just become more active on the platform. Add your projects, certifications and GitHub profile to build your resume for free. This will allow you to easily apply for internship and jobs listed on Internshala without the hassle of creating and uploading a new resume each time. If you want to know more about how to create a resume, then you can watch this video. The link is in the description box. लेकिन अगर अभी तक पोर्टफोलियो के लिए प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं बनाए हैं तो क्या मतलब कि जॉब नहीं मिलेगी? यस, अगर ऐसा है, so now it is time to check Internshala placement guarantee courses. Here you will get hands-on experience with projects and guaranteed placements after completing the course. This course also helps you in creating a resume and preparing for interviews. You can check students' review here, reviews from students who successfully secured job even before graduating. Else on the screen you can find some of the project idea that you can make yourself as well. Build these projects and mention them in your resume and start applying for jobs on Internshala. More than 5,000 jobs of brand like Zomato, Swiggy, Book My Show and more are offering a starting salary of 4 lakh and more on this portal. So if you are in a 3-year course, then this was the roadmap for you. Now, if you are pursuing a 4th-year degree, focus on attending more seminars, participating in more competitions, and applying to internships with PP offer. Again, all this can be done on Internshala. Also, in this year, create a LinkedIn profile and start connecting with your peers and people in your industry. This is a great way to stay updated on industry trends, get insights, and receive career guidance. And with that, I have come to the end of this video. By following this roadmap, you will be able to secure a successful tech career in India. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech related content. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. All the best.